This spicy Filipino dish will blow your taste buds away, and I can't wait to show you how to make it. In today's video, you'll learn how to make Bicol Express with pork, a delicious and spicy Filipino recipe that's perfect for those who love bold flavors. To make this dish, you'll need a few key ingredients. We'll go through each ingredient in detail, so don't worry if you're not familiar with them. First, let's start by chopping 4 cloves of garlic, 1 onion and a thumb size of ginger for a depth of flavor. By the way, the list of ingredients is in the description below. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the like, subscribe and notification bell for more delicious recipes. We will add Charleston peppers to add a mild fruity taste to the dish. Don't forget to remove the pit and the seeds. I am using pork belly today in making the dish, but if you prefer to use a leaner meat you can do so. Let us start cooking. Cook the pork belly in a pan over medium heat until all the fat renders. Cover but do not forget to stir occasionally. Once all the fat renders, push the meat to one side of the pan. Toss in the garlic, ginger and onion, saute until soft and fragrant. Then we will add one of the key components of the dish, shrimp paste. This will elevate the taste of the dish into the next level. Next, to add creaminess, we will pour in coconut milk. Cook over low heat for 15 to 20 minutes until the sauce thickens and reduces. Cover but do not forget to stir occasionally. Add in the Charleston peppers. Season with salt to enhance all the flavors. Once the sauce has thickened, let us add the star of the show, the green chilies. They provide the spicy kick that Bicol Express is famous for. You can use either Thai bird chilies or jalapenos, depending on your desired level of heat. You can adjust the level of heat to your liking by adding more or fewer chilies. To recap, we've made a delicious Bicol Express with pork, a spicy and creamy Filipino dish that's sure to become a favorite. The key to this recipe is getting the balance of spice and creaminess just right. And with these simple steps, you'll be able to create an authentic taste of the Philippines in the comfort of your own home. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to check out our other cooking videos. We love sharing our kitchen adventures with you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tasty adventures in the kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking!